Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best car gadgets are probably one of the most exciting categories for stocking stuffers, offering a blend of practicality and fun that can truly enhance the driving experience for anyone who spends a significant amount of time on the road, whether it's for daily commutes, long road trips, or just running errands, making them a thoughtful and appreciated gift that keeps on giving every time they get behind the wheel. Number 5. THISWORX Car Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing a powerful and portable vacuum designed for your car. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making cleaning up messes a breeze. Don't let dirt and debris stand a chance. This device is built to handle everything from sand to pet hair, ensuring a spotless interior. Experience incredible suction thanks to its powerful motor. It easily removes stubborn crumbs and dirt from even the hardest to reach places. This comes with everything you need for a thorough clean. It includes multiple attachments for detailing, a convenient carry bag, and extra filters. Forget about dead batteries. It conveniently plugs into your car's 12V outlet, and a long cord provides ample reach for cleaning your entire vehicle. What we like. This portable vacuum is designed for on-the-go car cleaning. Its powerful suction and long cord make it easy to reach every nook and cranny. If you're looking for a convenient way to tackle dust, crumbs, and pet hair in your car, this is a great option. What people say. Nice size. Fits in the storage well between the front row and middle row of my Odyssey. Good enough power. As long as the filter is emptied regularly, it seems to get all the dirt and grass and food crumbs. The attachments work well and can get to some of the tighter spots. Number 4. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. Introducing the ultimate solution for a spotless car interior. This cleaning gel is designed to reach every nook and cranny, making car detailing a breeze. Just press it into cracks and crevices, and watch as it lifts away dust and debris. It's incredibly easy to use and delivers powerful cleaning results every time. Made from natural, car-friendly materials with a pleasant scent, this cleaning putty is gentle on your vehicle's surfaces while effectively picking up dust. This cleaning gel can be used multiple times until it turns black. Simply store it properly, and it's ready for your next cleaning session. Its versatility extends beyond your car. Use it to clean keyboards, electronics, furniture, and more in your home or office. Looking for a unique and practical gift? This cleaning gadget is ideal for men and women, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or as a thoughtful stocking stuffer. What we like. This cleaning gel is perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach places in your car. It easily lifts dust and debris from vents, consoles, and more. If you want a fun and effective way to detail your car's interior, especially for those tight spots, this is the one for you. What people say. It worked great. Then again, I clean my car pretty regularly, so it's not overly dirty. It's just those cracks in between and I can't reach above me. It was able to reach places I could not go with a rag. It's not sticky and doesn't stick to your hands, which is helpful. This is good for loose dust, even though it slides on the side of the seat, so I can't get it. I even dabbed it on my carpet and it didn't stick to it, but it got the crumbs up. It worked well at removing the dust in vents and some corners you could not get a rag into. It's very gentle and easy to use. It easily picks up dust, crumbs, and debris from air vents, cup holders, and tight spaces that are impossible to reach with a cloth. You just press it into the area and lift, and the dirt comes right out with it. The gel isn't sticky on hands and doesn't leave residue behind. Perfect little detailing tool to keep in the glove box. It gets all the crumbs, dust, and dirt out of those hard-to-reach places in my car, like vents, console cracks, cup holders, and seat gaps, that a vacuum or cloth just can't touch. I just press it in, and it grabs everything. Super convenient and no mess left behind. Number 3. AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge 0 to 150 psi. Experience expert-grade calibration for quick and accurate measurements within +1 psi. Stay prepared for any roadside emergency and travel with peace of mind. Easily find and seal the valve stem in dim light with its illuminated nozzle and backlit LCD screen. Get accurate readings every time. Switch between 4 pressure measurements, PSI, bar, kgfcm superscript 2, or kPa with a simple button press. It's versatile for all your needs. Enjoy a comfortable grip with its ergonomic build. Its compact design makes it easy to store anywhere, like your glove box. Benefit from its energy-saving design with auto shutdown after 30 seconds, extending battery life. It comes with batteries, ready to use. Crafted from the highest quality materials, this gauge is built to last. We are dedicated to providing extraordinary products and services. What we like. This digital tire pressure gauge offers expert-grade calibration for precise readings. The illuminated nozzle and backlit screen make it easy to use in any lighting condition. If you prioritize safety and want to ensure your tires are always properly inflated, this is an essential tool for any driver. What people say. The AstroAI tire pressure gauge provides measurements in 0.1 psi increments, which is fantastic for anyone who needs precise readings. The backlit LCD screen is another fantastic feature of this gauge. Whether you're checking your tire pressure during the daytime or in the dark of night, the clear, bright, and easy-to-read display ensures that you can see the readings without any issues. The AstroAI tire pressure gauge allows you to choose from 4 different units of measurement: PSI, kPa, bar, and kg/cm superscript 2. Number 2. ColorCoral Car Cleaning Gel 160G. Introducing the ColorCoral Car Cleaning Gel, your ultimate solution for tackling dust and debris in hard-to-reach places. It's perfect for your car's interior and beyond. Made from natural ingredients with a pleasant lavender scent, this cleaning putty is gentle on your hands and surfaces. It effectively removes dust without leaving any residue. Just press it into vents, keyboards, or any rugged surface and pull it out. Watch as it lifts away dust and dirt, leaving your items clean and fresh. Beyond your car, it's ideal for cleaning electronics like keyboards, printers, and speakers. This one product simplifies all your cleaning needs. Looking for a unique gift? This cleaning gel is a surprising and practical stocking stuffer for car enthusiasts and anyone who appreciates a clean space. We ensure you receive a brand new product. If you encounter any quality issues, please contact us for a prompt replacement. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This cleaning gel is a versatile tool for tackling dust in your car and beyond. Its natural, non-sticky formula with a sweet scent makes cleaning a breeze. If you need a gentle yet effective solution for cleaning car vents, keyboards, or other electronic devices, this product is a fantastic choice. What people say. This held together well, picked up all the dust and fluff in the nooks and crannies of my center console. This cleaning gel works perfectly for getting dust and crumbs out of my keyboard and other small spaces. It is much more convenient than vacuuming for work in tight spaces like grills, around buttons, in vents, etc. Number 1. Melissa and Doug on the Go Water Wow. Activity pads. Discover a magical way to color. These activity pads reveal vibrant colors and shapes using just water. Say goodbye to ink and paint stains. Each book features 4 reusable pages that come alive when wet. Once dry, they're ready for more colorful adventures, offering endless screen-free creativity. The easy-to-hold water pen is perfect for little ones. It stores neatly inside the compact book, making it ideal for travel or quiet time. These pads help build fine motor skills and color recognition. They also encourage early writing, reading, and storytelling through hands-on play. Enjoy 3 engaging themes: vehicles, animals, and safari. Each one offers a unique and exciting world to explore with water. What we like. These activity pads offer hours of mess-free fun for young children. Simply use the water pen to reveal vibrant colors and scenes. If you're looking for a travel-friendly, screen-free activity that also helps develop fine motor skills and creativity, these are perfect for toddlers and preschoolers. What people say. It's mess-free, reusable, and perfect for on-the-go fun. Love the mess-free activity for my 1.5-year-old. A great introduction to paintbrushes and the process of keeping our paintbrush and book at the table, without me panicking if she takes it onto the carpet. Super simple and cheap, and kids can watch their art come to life without the mess. There is really no mess, you only need a little water to get the paint to show up on the picture. They dry fairly well and can be reused multiple times. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.